Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you how to turn on 5G on iPhone. Recently lot of iPhone users to say how to turn on 5G on my iPhone. Now this question is 5G supported device is iPhone 12 series, 13 series, 14 series, 15 series and iPhone SE 3rd generation. These all the devices are support the 5G network. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. To enable 5G network on your iPhone, first of all open the settings app on your iPhone. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the mobile data. Inside the mobile data screens, now select the mobile data options. On the next screens, now please make sure tap on the voice and data option. On the next screen, select either 5G on or 5G auto to enable 5G on your iPhone. These two options too, you can easily enable 5G data and 5G network on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much.